Hi everyone, welcome to Physicscoach. Let's solve this question. At the interface between two materials having refractive index n1 and n2, the critical angle for reflection of EM wave is theta 1c. Okay, this is corresponding when n1 and n2 you are taking. Okay, the n2 material is replaced by another material having refractive index n3. So this theta 2c is for n1 and n3. Here. And it is given that n3 is more than n2 is more than n1 like this. So which is more denser, optically denser, n3. So light is going, so critical angle is the angle at which light is incident at such angle after reflection. You can say it is grazing, or it becomes parallel to the interface. Refracted ray becomes parallel to interface at theta c, or we can say critical angle. Yeah, so this is theta 1c. This is an you can say this is n2 and this is n1. So you can write n2 sine theta 1c is equal to n1 sine 90. Okay, so you can write here sine theta 1c n1 by n2, equation 1. Similarly, you can write when n2 is replaced by n3, sine theta 2c will be n1 by n3. Clear? Understood or not? Okay. Now sine theta 2c, that is n1 by n3 minus n1 by n2 is given 1 by 2. Now in this question, n1, n2 by n3 is given, I think 2 by 5. N2 by n3 is given, that is 2 by 5. So what I will do, I will take n1 common, alright? So, and I will also do one thing like, I will take n2 common also, clear? So here it will be n2 by n3. This will be what? 1. So what is this n2 by n3? It is 2 by 5. 2 by 5 minus 1. That is half. So if you write here 2 minus 5, that is minus 3 by 5 is equal to like this. So minus 5 by 6. That is the value of n1 by n2. And n1 by n2, you can say this is theta 1c. Yeah, theta 1c I'm writing here. So I can write sine theta 1c will be minus 5 by 6. So theta 1c, what they are asking, sine inverse minus 5 by 6. Okay, again I'm writing here. Maybe just miss not writing properly. I am writing again like this. ठीक है, आसान है, मतलब क्रिटिकल एंगल का कंसेप्ट आपको पता होगा तभी आप इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. So once again, thank you so much. Thanks a lot.